I have one of my favorite all-time Southern meals here. It's Hoppin' John with collard greens, corn dodgers, and sweet potato pie. This is the Emancipation Day meal, also known as New Year's Day. This is a dish that everybody's supposed to eat on New Year's. I don't want to hear any racist comments about blacks only being allowed to grow collard greens and they were only allowed to eat pig offal and they were only allowed to eat cow peas. That's bullshit. White people ate the same thing because that was all anybody had in the South during the wintertime, period. Okay, so just stop y'all's crap. If you're eating this meal on New Year's, I know they say you're supposed to eat black-eyed peas, but I hate black-eyed peas, and I'm sticking with tradition eating crowded peas instead. The Irish tradition is you're supposed to put a new penny into the pot of Hoppin' John. Whoever gets the penny in their bowl will have extra luck and extra good fortune throughout the new year. The collard greens represent paper money. The turnips represent silver coin. The pork represents prosperity because hogs cannot turn their necks and look backwards. They have to go forward. If they want to go back, they have to turn all the way around. And the corn dodgers represent gold coin. And they're used to sop up the pot liquor and the collard greens. Sweet potato pie is just a traditional dessert that's optional, but we love it. The sweet potato lasts a lot longer in cool storage in a root cellar than the russet taters or the red skin taters do. So that's why they're most often eaten in the South, especially through the winter. Y'all go on ahead and enjoy your Emancipation Day meal or your New Year's Day meal. I wish y'all good luck and prosperity in the year to come. Bye, y'all.